Hello, everybody. My name is Ashley Roletter, and I am in the MIT 885 class. Um, so, a little bit about me. I am a teacher in Ellis, Kansas, which isn't too far from Fort Hays. I'm getting ready to start my 10th year here. In the past, I have taught fourth, fifth, and sixth grade language arts in third grade. However, this coming school year, I'm changing things up a bit and I will be in charge of fourth, fifth, and sixth grade math, which I am super excited about. For my personal life, I have a 13-year-old son. That's him right there. He's got a few inches on me. And then my spouse and we are expecting a baby girl in 3 weeks. So things have been a bit crazy around here. Technology experience that I've had in the classroom, I'm constantly using the document camera. I think it's the best way for me to show the students what's going on without having to rewrite everything on the board. All of our students here have iPads. We used to have carts of laptops that the students were able to use, but about 4 years ago, we went one-to-one technology. I've had a little bit of experience with Schoology. Um, I did 2 years ago implement it into my language arts classroom. We would try to do discussion boards. I want to introduce it because that's the LMS that they use in the junior high and high school. Here at the grade school, though, however, we use Seesaw, which has been great, and it was great to work with during the pandemic because we had already been using it for a couple of years. I do have some experience with Google Classroom. All of my experience from that is from my classes through Fort Hays State University. And as I'm sure you can guess, I'm part of I'm working towards my instructional technology degree from Fort Hays. So I chose this program mostly because I'm not great with technology and I wanted to become more comfortable with that and implementing that into my classroom. I chose Fort Hays State University because I'm 15 minutes from campus. That's also where I earned my undergrad degree in education. And I actually grew up in the area. I'm only home is about an hour from the Fort Hays campus. And so those are some of the reasons why I chose this program. Another big thing that has recently become a concern of mine is wanting to understand and be able to use Google Classroom in my classroom. So that's been another big reason. So some of the biggest challenges that we've been facing, especially with technology in our district, is we get a lot of pushback from our technology director. It's one guy. We all get very frustrated because he's not available for us, really. It's a lot of trying to figure out problems on our own. We have to learn a lot of things on our own. We don't get a lot of support. And something that a lot of us don't understand is he's the one that gets to make all the decisions, although he's never in the classroom. Most of us feel like he doesn't have the best interest of the students or the teachers. So that makes it very difficult. Future plans. So one of my things has been advocating for better technology in the district. Since I've started this program, I've been talking a lot with the technology director. I'm not too for sure if he really likes the fact that I'm in this program, but that's okay. Another big thing that I like to push for is the fact that we tend to expect all of our young students to automatically know how to use technology and computers. The problem, though, is so many kids these days, they're able to run an iPad or a tablet or a phone, no problem. That they've had those in their hands since they're little. However, you put a laptop in front of them and they don't know what to do. And then whenever these kids get to junior high, they get a laptop and they're just expected to know how to use it. One thing I really push is to work on typing. typing skills, typing properly, and how to use those laptops and the programs that they're going to be expected just to know how to use in junior high. I know that I need to find more ways to use technology in my math classroom. I haven't taught math before, so at the moment I'm struggling to think how I can integrate technology. And then another big thing I want to do is to become a technology leader in the school. So that's a little bit about me.